Are you looking for a good vacuum sealer for food, or even something that you could use for sous vide, like cooking steaks that are vacuum sealed? This is from Gasbye. This is a vacuum sealer that is really easy, simple to use. I'm actually a little, new to vacuum sealing, and a lot of these looked a little intimidating, but I'm gonna give this one a shot. We basically got some gluten-free egg rolls, and we're going to vacuum seal these and freeze them, and show you how this actually works. So you can use the rolls, and there's two rolls that comes with this. One's gonna be inside the machine. There's an extra one over here as well, and I'm assuming you can just basically stick it in here and then roll out the amount of bag that you need. You can cut it right here. There's a cutter even. I'm just using the pre-made bags because they do have this option as well. Basically these like pre-cut bags, and I think this is about as full as we're gonna fill this one up. So I started to fill it up a lot fuller, but we decided that wasn't a very good idea. We should leave some space towards the top. So let's give this a shot, see what happens here. So I'm gonna go ahead and line this up with this green part. Okay, so we've got it lined up under the green tabs, and we can press this down, make sure the handle locks. It does have a 2-prong plug-in for your outlets, and then the green vac and seal button kicks off the sealing process. And then we're gonna let it do its thing. It's counting down here. I believe it's sealing the bag now that it's actually vacuumed out all the extra air. You do have a few different options up here as well. Your sealing options, you've got dry, moist, or double. And then pressure wise, you've got normal and gentle. So there it is. That's the seal line, and it is all vacuum sealed out. So that was really, really easy. I can see how having the roll in here would make it even easier. You could speed through a lot of food all at once. Just, cut your bags once you're done. So yeah, this is very convenient vacuum sealer from Gasbye. I hope that this helps you and you guys enjoy it as much as I do, because this has definitely opened up possibilities for me. Although I will say, it looks like maybe I did something incorrect because the vacuum seal broke on this bag. So maybe we will try it again and see if we can get it to seal properly this time. So it looks like maybe one spot right here didn't get completely heat sealed. So let's try it again, see what happens. Honestly, we had a lot of juice in here as well, so that might have been the heat seal may not have done quite as well because there was water interfering with it. But let's go ahead and try it again, see if we can get it. All right, so we decided that this would be a lot better for dry ingredients, fruits, veggies. We garden quite a bit and we have a lot of leftover fruits and veggies, but right now, as it so happens, we have 1 carrot to demonstrate with. So basically, I'll show you how this will probably work way better if we use dry ingredients. So that's what I would recommend based off of what I've been experiencing right here. Same process. This is obviously an overkill bag for this amount of carrot, but you'll get the idea. And the whole entire goal is to help your food last longer and preserve it longer. So if you obviously remove all that air, throw it in the freezer, you're gonna be able to pull it back out. It's gonna taste fresh. All right, this one I think we got completely sealed. And then whenever you go to cut this, you'll just cut below the seal line, and that will obviously let air back in, but completely sealed. And I love how it auto detects like when all the air is removed. So basically it'll remove all the air, it'll keep pulling the air out, and then it will start sealing as soon as it detects that the air is out. So hopefully this helps you. Have an amazing rest of your day. Happy cooking.